Oh, we're back. Oh man, this thing took forever to get here. Sometimes you have to wait a little longer when you get a good deal, right? So what do we got here? It's the 2-year warranty Nilight off-road LED light bar wiring harness. This is allegedly a heavy-duty one, bigger than what I needed for the rating on my particular light. Let's see if we can figure anything out here. See if everything's in the bag like it's supposed to be. I think there's supposed to be a switch in here, and there's a relay and some other. All right, what do we get? Light bar, cool. Like that. Got a couple of these things here. Ooh, look at the size of them terminals. Holy cow. Need help? Yep. So this is going to be a bit of a challenge for me because I want to wire this a very specific way. I want the switch to be powered, like the LED on it. I don't even know if I can figure out how to do it. For my key powered, but obviously the relay, we got some fuses and a couple of them things. Let's see what this thing says. We got some options. We got wire method A and wire method B. To accessory switch power. Oh, that's what I want. Outgoing. Tape this in. Battery. Okay, yeah. So it looks like they've got it figured out. Tier report. That's pretty cool. That's what we got going. Wait a second. That's a weird instruction. It's not supposed to have a double. It's supposed to only be a single. I suppose that's the if you got it. So if you're new to relays, it allows you to have larger power and not run the high power through your toggle, because that's generally a bad idea. Does this thing say doesn't say anything about the gauge? It was supposed to be heavy gauge wire. That was the whole point of me buying this thing, was the monster wire in it. 12 gauge. Yeah, that's what it is. 12 gauge. Which is 14 probably would have been fine for my application. But I mean, I bought this on like Cyber Monday, which was like quite a few Mondays ago. Man, it's got a lot. Oh, nice. That's cool. Quick connect to that. It'll make life a little easier. Inline fuse there. I think like, how much are they giving you here? Seems like, so I thought I said someone was saying it wasn't a very much amount of. Yeah, that's pretty short, but that's fine. For my application, that's perfect. These are probably going to have to get replaced. That's too huge. I don't think that's going to work for me. Maybe. We'll see. Relay. Sorry for this octopus of a unboxing. I'm just trying to sort it all out here. Because oh man, why are you... Yowzer! Alright. So, if my brain is correct, those two will go to my keyed power, hopefully. And then that'll be the signal out to the relay, which should be up here, which magnetically opens the circuit, which has got high power from here. That goes up to these bad boys, which I think are also a 12 gauge. So this is what I got to work with to get up to my LED light bar, which I'm probably going to solder on. I don't think I'm going to use these. Oops, sorry. I'm not going to, I'll just solder it on. I'll do shrink tubes and all that other jazz. Probably cut half a mile off that. All right, that's supposed to be blue. The Nilight, I'm pretty impressed. I mean, I suppose you could figure out how to do all this shit on your own, but it was pretty affordable. That should be my jam for my, you know, plenty large. I'll probably put different tips on. I don't think that's gonna fit my bus bar. What do they put in here? Just out of curiosity. Oh man, it's definitely weatherproof. Got a 40 amp in there, so that's a 40 amp rated system. Probably a 40 amp. Yeah, 40 amp relay. It's pretty big. Oh well, it's done. Big wires, big fun. Stay safe.